Hi, Julie. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much
Yeah.
for being here today.
Yeah.
I'm trained up to level two, work primarily with couples, and I just love the methodology.
Well,
Um,
cool. Great.
so I'm guessing you have just been constantly surrounded by couples therapists that have the same framework for decades now. I'm wondering what you feel like um, when everyone's kind of got the same knowledge base, what differentiates some therapists and makes them kind of extraordinary. What separates the kind of people who know the methodology and can put it into practice versus the therapists that you've come who've worked with the Gottman method that have really stood out to you?
Wow, what a question. Okay, well, I think the most outstanding people understand that this is not skill training. That's a part of it. But there's also an existential layer to it in terms of deeper levels of meaning and purpose, values. Um, there's also childhood dynamics that deeply affect the relationship. There are much deeper issues buried beneath superficial conflicts. And when people using our method simply focus on the how-tos, um, that's fine. That'll produce some good work. But when people understand at a deeper level where we're going with this stuff and the deeper levels, and they work with empathy, with insight, with seeing little signs that, like a flag in the ground that says dig here, and they go down and deep. Looking at somebody's internal working model, for example, how they talk to themselves at a deeper level. You're such an idiot. How could you say that stupid thing? Etc. And where that comes from, and where's the dynamic, the childhood dynamic there. So the folks who are the best are the ones who go the deepest,
Hmm.
in a nutshell.